everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. For today's vlog, we're on the way home. We do stop by to Qdoba for carry out for our dinner, Mexican Eats restaurant. So we have Qdoba bowl for dinner is steak and a lot of toppings inside, like corn, tomatoes, white beans, and many more, cheese and lettuce and many more. Let's eat, everyone. God bless and enjoy. Happy eating and have a good evening to you all. Happy Monday night. It's time to eat. It's August 18, 2025. So the month is almost over. Let's eat and enjoy while still hot. And mega large shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone, it's me again, it's Pinay Vlog, saying hello everyone. It's please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked and share and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. Enjoy and see you again soon for the next vlog. God bless everyone and have a good evening. So good evening here in Maryland, USA is 10:05 in the night, and in the PI Philippines is morning 10:05 a.m. and I'm sure afternoon somewhere in the UK or wherever you are in the whole world. Stay safe, mabuhay tayong lahat, and magandang gabi sa mga naroroon ng sulok ng mundo. Magandang umaga and magandang hapon, and wherever you are, stay safe as always. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog.